Hello and welcome to Drmummycakes channel. I'm going to be helping you answer the question, is it actually cheaper for you to make and decorate the cakes yourself, or are you better off paying a cake professional to make it? Before we go on, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so that you know when I post a new weekly tutorial. I've seen it often on Instagram, people saying that why is a cake so expensive? After all, is it just not flour, butter and sugar mixed together? But there's a lot more things that you need to consider when looking at the cost of baking a cake yourself. So let's have a look and see what are the costs you need to consider. First of all, the actual ingredients for a cake. Take, for example, my delicious chocolate cake. It has about 8 or 9 different ingredients which you will have to buy when you are making the cake yourself at home. So you need to look at the costing of how much it will cost you to get the ingredients that you need to make your cakes. You will be saving quite a lot of money when you make a cake yourself because you will save the cost of time. Because you're making it yourself and you're not paying yourself, you don't have to pay for the cost of labor for making a cake. On the other hand, a cake maker will charge you for the cost of all the time it takes them to make and decorate your cakes, as well as the other time factors involved. So yes, you can save a lot of money doing it yourself because you save yourself time. But you should be prepared that you will be spending many hours or sometimes even many days making the cake yourself. And apart from the cost of the ingredients and the time it takes, there are other costs that you should consider when looking at making a cake and decorating a cake yourself at home. You will need to factor in the cost of things like buttercream, ganache or fondant which you are going to use to decorate your cake. So make sure that you look at the cost of this and add it. Also, if you are new to baking, don't forget that you're going to need a wide range of different equipment. So when you first start off, you'll have to buy all these things that you need for the baking and the decorating, so they will cost you initially. There's also consumables like your cake board, and if you're adding any extra filling, things like dowel, foil paper, cling film, all these other things cost money. You'll also might need a cake box if you are taking the cake, say, to a different location. Then look at the cost of the things like decoration, toppers, sprinkles, etc. So as you can see, there are a lot of costs involved in baking a cake. When you first start off, it may not be cheaper for your very first cake. However, in the long run, once you have bought all or most of the equipment that you need, you will find that it is cheaper to bake the cakes yourself rather than paying a cake professional. So it is worth learning how to decorate and make amazing cakes. But everybody's situation is different, so you can decide for yourself whether it's cheaper for you to make your own cakes. But I think you will find that it's very worthwhile learning how to make and decorate amazing cakes. Drmummycakes has all the help that you need to make amazing cakes. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for easy to follow cake recipes and lots of information that will help you in your baking journey. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next week. Happy baking.